everyone, welcome to Road Repair Adventures.
Road repair. Snout says, let's try filling holes in a different way. Tap here to help us out. Who should we decorate for first? My sister Zadie. Here are some of her favorite things. Soccer balls, piñatas, pictures. What should we use to decorate the neighborhood? Pictures. Okay, Snout, we need to get across the road. Oh no! There's a hole in the road and we can't get across. Snout says we can fill the hole with shapes. Then we can get across. Let's try it. Tap the play button when the hole is... We made it! Zadie loves pictures. Now there are 2 holes to fill. Let's fill one hole at a time. How about this one first? Woohoo! You solved a really big problem. Wow, this is a big problem. We have 3 holes to fill. Remember, let's take it one hole at a time. You can take out shapes you don't need. Yay! You used the shapes to help us ride across. Uh-oh, a shape is in our way. You can move shapes from one hole to another hole. Now you try. This is hard, but we'll keep trying. Oh yeah, you solved the problem! The neighborhood looks so nice, and Zadie is so happy. Who should we decorate for next?
That's it for today, but don't worry, we'll continue tomorrow. See you in the next video.